Hello everyone, welcome to my channel LearnIT. Today I will be talking about update sets. So what is update set? It is a group of configuration changes that can be moved from one instance to another. This feature allows administrators to group a series of changes into a named update set, and then we can move as a unit to other system for testing or deployment in UAT instance or production instance. Okay, update set is an XML file that will contain a set of record details, list of configuration changes, determines whether another instance can retrieve and apply configuration changes. Update set track changes to application and system platform features. So this allow developers to create new functionality on a non-production instance and promote the changes to other instance. Okay. So we will talk about update set in terms of system properties. Administrator can exclude system properties from update set by making them private. Keeping system properties private prevents settings in one instance from overwriting values in another instance. For example, you may not want a system property in a production instance to use a particular value from a developer instance. Okay. So let's talk about application in terms of update set. So application developers have additional options with update set, such as create an update set for a specific version of an application, specify which application tables to track in update set. Okay, now let's talk about update set tables, how the customization is updated on some tables. So each update set is stored in the update set table like sys underscore update underscore set table. And then customization are associated with the update set, which are entries in the customer update table sys underscore update underscore XML that will appear as a related list in an update set record. When tracked object is customized, a corresponding record is added or updated in the customer update table and is associated with the user current update set. The associated application file properties are tracked and transferred along with the customized object in a single update record. Corresponding record is also added to the version table. Okay. So what are the key points as part of update set? The customer update table contains one record per customized object per update set. Okay. The version table contains one record per change to a customized object. Administrators can compare two versions and revert to a specific version of an object. Okay. Just an example, like suppose you have modified your code today and you want to revert it back to the last version like previously what it was. So we can revert back to the old updates, which is using versions comparison. Administrators can suppress versions for specific tables. Administrators can specify fields on tracked tables that you can change without skipping updates to the rest of the record. Excludes the field from the update. Note: do not directly modify customer update records. Okay. So what are the customizations tracked by update set? Update sets can track customization to application tables, fields, and records. Update set track customization under these conditions where the table has an update underscore sync dictionary attribute, where there is a special handler to track changes to multiple tables, where the administrator has not excluded a field from updates. In general, update sets capture configuration information but not task or process data. Update set have a limited capacity to transfer data as application files. For larger data transfers, export data and import it with an import set or web service. Okay. Now I will tell you what update set captures and what it does not. Okay. So what is captured in update set is like server side and client side script, forms, form sections and fields, reports and dashboards, views and relationships, flow designer and workflows, tables and columns, and many more like catalog items, record producers. There are a lot of things which are captured in update set, and what is not captured in update set is like modified CIs like configuration items and data records, new data records, user roles and groups records, schedules and schedule jobs, task based records like incident, problem, change, request, whatever. So these are not captured in an update set. Okay, now I will tell you about update set transferred, how we can transfer it to higher instance like UAT or production. When an update set is completed, you can transfer it between instances to move customizations from development through testing and into the production. So there are various options to transfer your update set, like transferring update set with IP access control, transferring with basic authentication, transferring with an XML file. Okay, so let's move further and see what is update set patching. So batch update sets enable you to group update set together so you can preview and commit them in bulk. Dealing with multiple update sets can lead to a problems including committing update set in the wrong order or leaving out one or more sets. You can avoid these problems by grouping completed update set into a batch. The system organizes update set batches into a hierarchy. One update set can act as the parent for multiple child update sets. A given set can be both a child and parent, enabling multiple level hierarchies. One update set at the top level of the hierarchy acts as the base update set. Okay. So when you preview or commit the base update set, you preview or commit the entire batch. The system determines the processing order and check for collisions based on the dates the changes were recorded and on their sequential ancestry. Their ancestries are the specific instances in which the changes in update sets took place. Okay, so this is all about basics of update set. Now I will show you how we can use update set in ServiceNow instance. So let's move to our ServiceNow instance. As you can see, I have already logged into my personal developer instance for ServiceNow. So I will type here update set. Okay, we can see here lot of update sets are there. Okay, so what I will do is like I will click on local update set, and you can see there are update set, default update sets which is already created in ServiceNow. Okay, so these are the ways through which we can create our new update set. You can see the new button is available here, and from one more place we can check our update set. As you can see, this is the application scope and this is the update set global, default global, which is already set. So I will click here and I can see only one update set for global is in progress, that is default, because this default update set will be in progress all the time. Okay, and we can click here to open our update set list, and we can click here to open our existing update set which is created or which is existing. Okay, and now I will click here again. We will see the list of update set will open here, and we can click on new update set, and then we can start creating. So let me click on new button and see how we can create update set and how we can capture the things or customizations in this update set. Okay, so let me add one of the update set, LearnIT update set. Okay, this captures the customizations. As you can see, I have updated the description for this update set, and LearnIT update set is the name. and I will do is like I can click on two things like submit and make current. Submit will just create the update set, and submit and make current will create the update set and set this update set as default. Okay, for any customization or changes which we have to capture. Okay, so let me click on submit and make current and see what happens. Okay, now this is our update set which is created and it is in progress. Okay, so we can see our update set is created and this red circle started displaying here. Okay, why this red circle has been started? Because we have selected our custom update set which is created. If we select here global update set again, default global update set, then this circle will get removed, and we will select our update set again, and this circle will appear again. Okay, this will let you know like what update set you are working currently. Okay, because many times accidentally people switch to global scope and started capturing our updates. So you will get to know whether you are in global or you are in created update set. Okay, so now let's move to client script or business rule and see how we can capture the updates. Okay, let me go to this client script. So I will take client script for one of the table called incident. So these are our client script which is already created in the system. So I will pick one existing client script. This is our client script. Okay, now it is not added in my update set. So uh, let's say I will remove this update, these lines of codes from here. Okay, now I will try to save this record. Okay, now we can see our update set is has captured this update, and we can see the versions record has been created as part of this update set and previous update set. Okay, so these are two versions which is created for this customized record, that is client script, and we can just move to our update set and see what is captured in this update set. Okay, we can see the customer updates which is captured as part of client script. Okay, so similar way we can capture a lot of server side script, client side script, table changes, field changes, dictionary changes, catalog items, record producers. We can make changes and capture those information in these customer updates. Okay, so let's move further and see what is the difference between current and previous. Suppose I have removed some lines of code. Okay, so what we can do is like we can select these both and we can select compare. So in compare we will find what is the changes which I have done. Okay, so let it load once and I will show you how the difference is visible. As you can see, we have modified some changes on our script side. Okay, so let me click on a script section and see what change I have done. So this is the previous version and this is the current version. Okay, so what I will do is like I will open this record and make to the selected version. I will click on revert to selected version. So selected version is the older version. Okay, so I will click on revert to selected version. Click on OK. Now we can see our update has been successfully reverted back. Okay, so this updates will create single update only, that is customer updates, because same record is updated So that's why it will be updated on same entry. Okay, so now let's go back to our client script. So now we can see these three lines I have removed from the code, but now these three lines are back using our version comparing. I have reverted to the selected version which was added previously. Okay, so these things we can perform, and we can capture the activity in our update set. Okay, now let's move to our update set and see what we can do. Okay, so we can, there is a state like in progress, complete, ignore. So to move our update set into higher versions like UAT or production, we have to first mark this update set as complete. So I will save this record and we will see our update set. This is complete, and now I can export this update set as an XML. Okay, so as soon we can click on export to XML, so it will export our XML, okay, for this update set, and we can click here and it will start downloading our XML for this update set. As you can see, I have downloaded our XML. Okay, so this is the update set which is complete now, and you can see the red circle has been removed from here. Okay, so now I will show you how we can import the update set if it is higher version. So we will redirect to our retrieved update set and we will click here. Okay, now here we can see like currently no update set is retrieved. We can click on import update set from XML. Right, I have shown you sometime before, like we have downloaded our update set XML. So we can upload using this link. So I will click on this link and I will select our file. Okay, so this is the update set which I have exported previously. So I am showing a demo in my same instance, but you have to move it into higher instance or wherever it is required to move. Okay, so you can see our update set is loaded, state is set as loaded right now. Okay, and we can check, we can preview our update set whether it is impacting other updates in the system or not. So we can click on preview update set. If there would be any error, you will be getting errors, and then in that case you have to sort out your errors, then you have to commit your update set. So I have previewed our update set and let me close it, and now we will get options to commit our update set. Okay, so we can click on commit update set button. So as soon as I will click on commit update set, so this action will be performing and taking some time based on the customization which is captured. Like if there are a lot of changes captured, it will take some time, but you can see this is completed very fast. Okay, so I will close it, and we have seen how we can create the update set, capture the customization in update set, and how we can move our update set using XML to the higher instance like subprod or prod. Okay, you can see our update set is committed now. Okay, so we can check our commit log and all preview records. Okay, we can click on show commit log to see our log, what is captured or what went wrong. Okay, so this is all about update set. Okay, please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.